Hey folks, Leo Johnson here from MarineMax. Welcome back to our Lake Norman location and this 2026 Harris Pontoons Cruiser 230. This particular boat is one of their new Heritage Edition models, meaning it's got some awesome pre-selected options that you can choose from. It's a really great boat. Lots of value packed into this one as well. This one's finished in the midnight blue. We've got the black fence railings here. This is a tritoon boat with a 150 horsepower engine out back. Plenty of power. The other thing you'll notice out here on the exterior is this boat has the powered bimini as standard. Really nice option there. There's an extension that can be optioned with that as well. Stepping up inside this boat, we've got the SLDH layout in this nice light gray color. You've got your fender holders here on both sides as part of that Heritage Edition package, as well as this triple tube ski tow bar. This is rated for 1,000 pounds. Another Heritage Edition feature here, we've got the lily pad easy step ladder as standard as part of that package. Really nice upgrade there. Stows away very easily. Got the bimini folded back at the moment. This opens up nice and wide, can sit up high as well as down low. A couple notable features here on the lounger. You got full storage all the way through in this center section here. And then off to the port side, you've got an integrated cooler here on all SLDH models from Harris. 3 cup holders for your passengers, as well as a USB-C plug right over there on the side. Coming through here, we've got a nice door that opens up, brings you into the main area here. Lots of great seating for your passengers on this side. You've also got a flip up lounger here that can go that direction or all the way flat. Really customize it to your liking. Access to that storage on this side here as well. Goes all the way through and underneath that lounger. Coming up further forward, this boat's got the SLDH layout, so the sun lounger in the back with the dual helm chairs that you see here. Both of these swivel slide and recline, and they've got the flip-up armrests that you see here. Your passenger's gonna have a nice little console over here with 2 additional cup holders for them, just behind this extra wide door here on the port side. Over towards the helm, we've got a lot of great features on this. We've got the analog gauges here from Harris. We've got trim indicator, fuel level, speed, and RPM. We've got the new Wet Sound series stereo here, standard on all Harris Cruiser models. Key switch, you've got your main controls for your lights, wireless phone charger here, and lots of other accessories, including your power top controls. Got your Mercury shifter right there for that 150 horsepower outboard out back. Further forward, this boat has the center ski locker, again, as part of that Heritage package, equipped with the tritoon. We've got a lot of stuff in there right now, you can see. It's a really great place to store your cover and other items like that. We've got a table on this boat as well that has not yet been installed, with an adjustable base that can be moved around. Lots of room up here for the forward passengers. You've got 2 cup holders on either side, as well as USB chargers. Storage underneath all of these seats up here as well, all with water channels around the outside. Keep everything nice and dry on the inside. Been a quick overview of this Harris Cruiser 230. This is the Heritage Edition boat. Lots of great options like this in stock and available now. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today for more info on the Harris Cruiser 230.